Well, the festive season is upon us, but the common man is concerned with simply maintaining his weekly budget as the prices of essential commodities like onions and other vegetables continue to rise.
This even as the state and the centre continue to bicker over who is responsible for the spiralling prices rather than working on a solution.
It's a basic commodity, but the woes over rising prices of onions continue. There is no relief yet for the Aam Aadmi, as the basic commodity in every household has touched skyrocketing price.
Not just in Delhi, but across the country, the common man has been suffering and bearing the brunt of these rising prices. Even today, the prices of onions are at a skyrocketing rate of almost rupees 80 to rupees 100 per kilo.
Even as the centre was intent on passing the buck, with no one claiming responsibility for this severe crisis, the import of the onions has started, despite no ban on exports.
अफगानिस्तान से आया है जी। आज आई थिंक 12 ट्रक्स आए हैं जो तकरीबन 40 टन के 500-600 टन क्वांटिटी आई है। उम्मीद है मेरी कि अगले 2-3 दिनों में ये फिर इनफ सप्लाई ऑफ अनियंस मिल जाएगा।
The imports have started, but the massive rise in prices driving not only the consumers but also the farmers over the edge. These farmers waving a black flag at the arrival of the Delhi APMC chief Rajendra Sharma and his delegation over their arrival to assess the situation in Nasik.
आत्महत्या करण्याची पाळी कांदा उत्पादक शेतकऱ्याला आलेली आहे आणि यांना फुकटामध्ये कांदा जर पाहिजे असेल तर आमचा यांना जाहीर निषेध आहे। आम्हाला शासनाने 1 लाख रुपये पर एकरी प्रमाणे आणि मग यांना फुकटात कांदा द्यावा।
But the APMC chief downplaying the situation.
आप मेरे साथ दिल्ली चल सकते हैं, जो भी चलना चाहे, और किसी भी दिन 100 रुपये ना बिकाए ना बिकेगा, और आप समझदार हैं, ऐसी बात होती नहीं है।
With officials passing the buck and the government not acknowledging the severe crisis, the only victim of this onion crisis is the common man. Bureau Report, Times Now.